Note the plaque buildup around the bands and brackets and along the gum line. Our objective is to thoroughly remove all of it. With the brush bristles angled approximately 45 degrees downward, make small circular motions while moving the brush forward. Angle the brush bristles approximately 45 degrees upward and again make small circular motions while moving the brush forward. Using the same brush head angles and motion, clean the remaining teeth until all buildup is removed. The proxy brush is a nylon bristled brush intended to clean in between the teeth. Place it under the arch wire in between two teeth, then move it up and down, cleaning the edge of the bracket toward the back, in between the two teeth, then the edge of the bracket toward the front. Pass the floss and threader up between two teeth. Slide the floss back and forth several times, cleaning the surfaces of these teeth. Be sure to clean below the gum line. For the lower, pass the floss and threader upwards from inside and below the arch wire. Again, be sure to clean below the gum line. Remove the floss and threader.